was sick. Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yeah. Oh, fresh shoes. All right, here with Johnathan Buckhouse on third day riding Mount Hood. How are your legs feeling the past few days?
I feel great. This mountain's not steep enough to tire my legs out.
Yeah, we're gonna hit the park later and slash some powder. They got like 6 inches plus of snow, and it's actually cold. It's not like the other day when it was 90. So stay tuned. And
Polar opposite days.
yeah, so we're getting every condition this week: ice, slush, and pow. So maybe the sun will come out. All right, that's it for the Timberline vlog with Johnathan Buckhouse and Phase Skater. That was fun! I waxed my board! Woo! Woo! Gonna ride the trees. Whoa! Woo! It ain't deep, pal. But at least it's doable. It's still nice for April though, guys. Alright, Jonathan's risking his life again. And I'm just gonna have some fun. Woo. That's not that fun. Oh, earn your turn. I don't turn. I go straight. Dude, no one's here. Baby bluebird powder day. Stay with me. I'm in the tree. Da, 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 da. All right, we're going one of the steepest sides of Timberline. We're gonna max send it, see if the conditions are good. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! All right, this one's for L-Stacker. Oh. I caught an edge on the L-Stacker spin. Alright, we're gonna go to Bone Zone because why not? It's some good conditions. Whew. Woohoo! Here we'll go. Whoa! Whee! Oh, jumped over the tracks. Woo! Ew! Woo! Woo! Whoa. Yeah. So surfy. Whee! Woo! Oh, whoa. Okay, it was supposed to be Bluebird, but now we're back to snowing. And I got the wrong goggles. You'll just kind of go at like a, I mean, if you just go down a little bit to the left, you'll empty out.
Down to the left.
And then when you see the lift, just blast past and stay to the far left.
We're cutting left towards Fuji, right?
Yeah, we're gonna blast through it to Molly's. So,
Okay.
but yeah, these are the most fun trees here. Whoop. All right, dropping. Woo. Woo. Oh, crunchy. Yeah. Oh, freshies. Oh. I don't want to do Molly's. Why are they doing this? Woo! Got some air. I hate this run.
Nice little run.
Ah! One time I went too fast and I was sending off that edge.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I went to flat. Ooh. Woohoo! Fail. Woohoo! Hoop. Oh, I got a little squirrely on that. Woohoo! Slash! Sand slash! Woohoo! Oh, that felt good. That was sick.
All this stuff on the right and the left.
Oh, all right, this one's for L Stacker Adventures. Whoa! Whoa! Oh!